So now let's see how we can manage and remove add-ons inside of Thunderbird. So to do that, first of all, you need to go to the tools menu and then go around over here onto settings right here. So once you do that, you can go around onto add-ons and the theme section. So over here, you can see that I got two add-ons right here. So if I want to go ahead and turn it off, then simply go around and disable it by flicking the switch right here. You can go around and then turn it on again. Apart from that, you can also go around onto, let's say, add-on option right here to see the permission that it has and the details of this particular add-on, and to change this out as well. You can go around onto the three dot button and then go to manage right here to access out its setting as well. So this really depends on the plugin that is installed. If you want to go ahead and remove out an add-on, then you can click on the three dot button and simply click on remove right here, just like this. And then what happens is that it gets removed. You can also undo it out right here to get it back, but you have to do this quickly, otherwise it will be deleted forever right here. So if I were to go back right here, it's not recoverable anymore, but you have to install it again. And that is how you can go ahead and manage and remove add-ons inside of Thunderbird. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.